Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from a stock market crash with JPMorgan. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Assess your current financial situation. Review your investment portfolio thoroughly. Identify which stocks were impacted by the crash. Calculate your losses to understand the extent of the damage. Avoid making impulsive decisions in a panic. Research historical market trends and recovery patterns. Consult JPMorgan's research tools and insights for guidance. Diversify your portfolio to mitigate future risks. Consider reallocating your investments into more stable assets. Focus on companies with strong fundamentals. Stay informed about market news and economic indicators. Be patient and maintain a long-term perspective. Utilize dollar cost averaging to buy into stocks gradually. Monitor your investments regularly to track their progress. Engage with a financial advisor if you need personalized assistance. Reassess your financial goals and investment strategies periodically. Stay disciplined and stick to your recovery plan. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.